Hi, my name is Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal. Today I'm going to be working on this 2019 GMC Sierra. It's got some hail damage that I'll be repairing with the paintless dent repair process. Let's go ahead and get started. So if you could just take 1 minute and hit that like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to better know the benefits of paintless dent repair. And you can see some of these small dents here. They're all generated from hail. Each one of these circles represents where a actual dent is, and I'll be fixing this using paintless dent repair. Now this panel has approximately got about 31 to 50 dents on here. Again, I'll be fixing this. No painting, no filler, and no Bondo. Now the first thing I need to do is clean this surface off, where there I can see what I'm doing here. And of course, when you're doing paintless dent repair, you've got to get behind every single dent here in order to fix it. And now that I've got a clean surface, it's time for getting some access points. So once lifting this hood, you can actually see this fender's pretty well opened up here. So there's quite a bit of access in order to get behind every one of these dents. And you can see there's several small dents all throughout here. Without the circles on it, you can kind of see these dents pretty well. Now to start these repairs, I'm going to be using my trusty tool from Blim, sharp point on the front, a adjustable handle. That way there I can get enough leverage when I get behind here, and if I have to move the handle, I can adjust it so that I can press up against the back part here for my leverage.
One thing that I'd like to explain today is our technique pushes the metal back to its original form by working from behind the damage to remove dents, saving the vehicle's original finish and metal structure without repainting or filler. This method can be used on virtually the entire surface of the vehicle, restoring it to a new-like condition, saving your factory finish. Did you know that hail forms when raindrops are caught in an updraft of air inside the parent cloud and lifted into the region of the cloud that is below freezing? Once frozen, the raindrop can grow by colliding with the still unfrozen droplets and create an even larger hailstone. The size of the hailstone is determined by the updrafts of the storm cloud.
Another flawless repair, like it was never there. So now this fender came out fantastic using the paintless dent repair process. It was some pretty minor hail, but there was approximately 31 to 50 dents on here. Very small, but they all could be worked using the paintless dent repair process. If you have hail damage on your vehicle, would like to know if your car is a candidate for paintless dent repair, give me a call at 325-703-6149. or stop by and see me at 2315 Sherwood Way, San Angelo, Texas. My name is Tom Eister. Thanks for watching.